create this 3D model with the help of NX software. So on the new document, start with the sketch. Select the front plane. OK. Now create one circle with specific diameter of 500. Now create one rectangle randomly. Finish the sketch. Now I need to revolve this shape, so go with the revolve command. First of all, reset this command and select the region boundary curve and select this region. Specify the vector and specify the point. 90° revolve. Preview and OK. Hide this sketch as well as datum coordinate. Now again create this sketch on front plane. Rectangle from the origin 100 by 100. Enter for the reference purpose. Now create the another rectangle with center method. Again 100 by 100. Finish this sketch. Now extrude second rectangle, but I need to reset this command. I need to select the connected curve. Select this curve and extrude value must be 250. Preview. OK. Hide this sketch. Now I need to mirror this object, but before that I need to create one hole on this face. So go with the hole command. Select the point. Specify the value of hole diameter. Hole diameter should be 20. Shrink diameter should be 27.5. Shrink angle 90°. Depth, hole depth must be 50. And before click the OK, just adjust the dimension. So this value should be 100 and this value should be 50. Now mirror this, but before that I need to create one datum plane. Select the bisector method and select this and this face. So our bisector plane is ready. Now I can mirror this feature. Okay. Feature of extrude and counter shrink. Select the plane. And show the preview. OK. Now again I need to mirror. So for that I have to create another datum. Go with the datum. Bisector method is already selected. Mirror. Select this feature and this feature. Select the plane. Hide this datum also. Our 3D object is ready.